for those that are using routines, we hope everybody's using routines. This is kind of like the powerhouse of what SAM does. I mean, it uses AI and it does all these really cool things, but the power in SAM is the ability to run these routines for you to be able to automate the processes that you guys do. So we're constantly trying to figure out how can we make it easier or do things for you. In this case, what we've added is I'm going to click on a new routine, and I'm going to do that exact same process. Maybe actually no, I'll do this one. Say new lead for first-time home buyers. Okay, so this routine would happen based off of a certain date gets filled in, any of the dates that you've got in your system, and we should be able to see that seller preview date that we just added is in the list as well. For me, it won't be on yours because it's not in your system. The only dates that you'll see are the ones that we've set up previously or that you add manually. In this case, we've got a new lead date. So a new lead comes into SAM and you want to do something. What would you want to do? Well, typically you would come in here and click on the little add a routine activity and you just manually add all your stuff. We added a couple months ago this let SAM build it. And what this does is this says, okay, let's, what's the objective of this routine? Let's say create a 10-day follow-up email campaign for first-time home buyers. Giving them tricks, traps, and tips of home ownership. Okay, something like that. You put in whatever you want. It can be as long as detailed as you want. Maybe you say emails every other day. Whatever you want to, you can specify that. Actually, I probably should say that 10-day follow-up email campaign. Sending emails each day. First-time home buyers, whatever. You type in what you want, and we click on generate. Now, previous to this update, it would start generating. It would just start going through the process of generating the content. Now what we're doing is we're saying, oh, you wanted something. What is it that you wanted? Here's what we think you want. Okay, so it goes through and it creates the entire campaign for you. Okay, read through each one of them. If it's something you wanted, great. If you need to change it, you can come in here. You can make whatever change to the description of that you want. If there's something you just don't want at all, you can delete it out. If you want to add something new to it, maybe it didn't do something that you wanted to do, you can click on add a step. Once you get everything kind of the way you want, then you come in here and you say approve and build. So then at this point, it starts using AI to interpret each of those individual actions that was generated and building out the activity that goes along with it. Well, if that activity also includes a template, it needs templates. So it starts building out each of the templates for you as well. Now, if you've got in your contact or in your profile area, how do you, what are your member voice? How do you speak? What are your temperaments, stuff like that on how you do things? It will follow those descriptions of stuff, and then it builds it out. You'll see that the actions it created in there, it did. So if I come in here and say, send an email about navigating home inspections. Come in here, home inspections, and there's, some information about home inspections, whatever. So the goal was go in there and identify all the different things that it needs to create for you before it actually creates it, let you manipulate it, massage it, and then it'll go through and create it. You do need to be clear because some activities may not need, maybe it's a phone call, maybe it's just an action that you need to do. So not every activity needs an email, but if you want an email or an SMS message on each one of them, be sure to specify clearly. Once you've go in, manipulate it, change it however you want, click on save, and then come back, and then you're good. So that's the big thing here on this, was just the approval process before it actually generates it.